Hey guys, it's Jeff with HKS Systems. Just doing a quick little video on another tool that we have been using with much success. It is the Major brand. Their part number is LPT255. It comes in a couple varieties. It's a lever removal tool if you don't have existing keys or you have a key malfunction. Comes in different varieties for Yales, Schlags, Corbin Russ Win, as well as backing plates for different lever sizes and types. What we're going to be doing is just demonstrating it on a Schlag that I had laying around that I know is working. Just a matter of getting it to remove. We do have a key, but we're just doing this for presentation purposes. So here we got a Schlag. Give you a little bit more room there. Schlag basically disassembles. You need the key and a poker tool. Turn the key, poke it, and it'll allow you to remove the lever. If you don't have the key, that's when the problem starts. You need a key, otherwise you can't remove the lever or you have to drill it out. Sometimes that's something you have to do. You can see it doesn't pop apart. So with this tool, what it basically does is bypasses the locking pin system. So you have two parts of the tool. You have a tool section that depresses the actual pin. You can see that. And then this locks in. So we will install that. That goes into the depression hole. Tightens up, get it nice and tight, just enough to snug it up. You don't have to go crazy. I just pinch it together as well as I can. You try to get that pin just about to seat to the face of the section. Let me zoom in on that and see if you could see that. So it's pretty close to the end of the little bolt there. And that just sits in there like that, tightens up, easy peasy. Then this is the second section, which is used for, it's designed for basically different levers. This one is for the Sparta, which is the stupid round one. They come in Rhodes, they come in regular modern series ones. So all you do is put this, you center this larger lug into the cylinder. This is to stabilize on the lever itself. So you can stabilize one, just finger tight to start with. Don't need to go crazy yet. Get everything nice and aligned. I'll zoom in here. Working with one set of hands, not always the easiest to do. So you can see you're zoomed in there. You're basically putting the larger locking lug on the actual cylinder face while doing that. And all you do then is just start tightening. You can see, you could already hear it popped. 2, 3, 4, 5. You could already see it's clearing the housing at this point now. You can just begin to see a little bit of the crack there starting. You don't need to go crazy on that. Just enough to get it to move off the actual clearing of the post. Once that's done, you could stop, pull it all apart. Take this off, remove that, and bang! We got a lever removed, no damage to the spindle, no damage to the pin, which is usually the case for some of these tools, that it will actually damage the pins, but you could see no damage, completely reusable. Used them a couple times and never had any damage yet. I did have the HPC model and I did damage a couple of those, so can't say I'm a big fan of those. So either way, if you need service that is in need of something like this, where it's you need keys either originated or just duplicated, or you lost keys and you don't have the existing keys, give us a call. We're more than glad to come out and help you, or at least give you pricing and availability. And I'm Jeff with HKS Systems, 847-204-7046. And this tool is the Major brand, and that model is the LPT 255 for Schlage. Thank you.